English action verbs. Change, to alter or modify. Change, to alter or modify. Channel, to direct or guide. Channel, to direct or guide. Chant, to sing or recite rhythmically. Chant, to sing or recite rhythmically. Charge, to accuse or demand payment. Charge, to accuse or demand payment. Charm, to attract or delight. Charm, to attract or delight. Thank you for like and subscribe us. Chase, to pursue or follow in order to catch. Chase, to pursue or follow in order to catch. Chastise, to reprimand or punish. Chastise, to reprimand or punish. Chat, to converse or talk informally. Chat, to converse or talk informally. Cheat, to deceive or act dishonestly. Cheat, to deceive or act dishonestly. Check, to examine or verify. Check, to examine or verify. Cheer, to encourage or applaud. Cheer, to encourage or applaud. Chew, to bite and grind with the teeth. Chew, to bite and grind with the teeth. Chide, to scold or rebuke. Chide, to scold or rebuke. Chill, to cool or become cold. Chill, to cool or become cold. Chime, to make a ringing sound. Chime, to make a ringing sound. Choose, to select or pick out. Choose, to select or pick out. Chuckle, to laugh quietly or softly. Chuckle, to laugh quietly or softly. Circulate, to move around or distribute. Circulate, to move around or distribute. Cite, to quote or refer to as evidence. Cite, to quote or refer to as evidence. Clamp, to fasten or secure tightly. Clamp, to fasten or secure tightly. Clap, to strike the palms of the hands together. Clap, to strike the palms of the hands together. Clarify, to make clear or understandable. Clarify, to make clear or understandable. Clash, to collide or come into conflict. Clash, to collide or come into conflict. Classify, to arrange into categories or groups. Classify, to arrange into categories or groups. Clean, to remove dirt or impurities. Clean, to remove dirt or impurities. Clear, to remove obstacles or become unobstructed. Clear, to remove obstacles or become unobstructed. Climb, to ascend or move upward. Climb, to ascend or move upward. Clog, to obstruct or hinder. Clog, to obstruct or hinder. Close, to shut or block access to. Close, to shut or block access to. Clothe, to dress or provide with clothing. clothe. To dress or provide with clothing.